Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have got really cool piece to check out. The Drag Bus Ninja Turtle. If you're a fan of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, this one is for you. This Drag Bus Ninja Turtle might look familiar because it has a lot in common with the version that Metal Creation is selling for $25. But here's the twist, the version was snagged for just $7. A score. So let's dive into what makes this toy special and how it compares to the more expensive one. First up, let's talk about the hinge. This drag bus features a clever design where the top naturally comes off, revealing an awesome interior. The hinge is smooth and sturdy, allowing the top to snap on and off with ease. It's not just for show, this feature adds a lots of play value and makes it easier to display your toy in different ways. Just look at how smooth the top comes off. It's a solid hinge mechanism that's built to last. This design is both functional and fun. Now, you might be wondering how this compares to the Metal Creation version. While this version may have a different graphic, the core design is basically the same. The one I have here has an iconic Ninja Turtle style that fans love, while the other comes in a Spectra Flame teal. Despite the graphic difference, the quality and the design of the hinge and overall the build are pretty much the same. And let's not forget about the graphic. The version is a cool Ninja Turtles design that really pops up. It's got the retro vibe and the vibrant color that makes it stand out. And for $7, it's a steal. So let me know which one would you choose. Leave a comment below. The Ninja Turtle one or the RLC Selections Volkswagen Drag Bus. The choice is yours. I'm happy with the design and the graphics on it, especially the ninja graphic on the drag bus. So whether you are looking for Metal Creation version or grabbing this one from a store, you are getting a fantastic Diecast drag bus. And the hinge mechanism is a top notch and the graphics are awesome. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool Diecast reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. I would love to hear what you think. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.